Welcome to a video from thedishlifestyle.com. Quick look at what's new in the new 20H2 build for Windows 10. So I'm not going to do a full hands-on video, I just wanted to bring you a note of some of the changes that's come with this release. And I've got it fired up here on a virtual machine. So what they fixed with this is some issues with OneDrive particularly. So if you have any issues downloading files or syncing with OneDrive, I've not got it set up on this machine, but I have on my main machines, then they fixed that, which is good, because I think that's one of the issues been affecting quite a few people. They fixed some issues with applications with visual distortion. They fixed some issues that cause lsass.exe to crash with a critical error and you need to restart your machine. They fixed some PowerShell issues with server core platform. They fixed some printing issues, and they fixed some scripting engine issues and underlying security issues. But what's interesting with this is that this update, which takes the build to 19.042.388, is exactly the same that's just been released for the May update. So this 20H2 update is getting the same updates as the 20H1, the May 2020 update, which means that so this is a minor update to the 20H1, the May update. It's just an incremental build on there. The main difference with this release is that the new Microsoft Edge is installed by default, so when you upgrade you're going to get the new Microsoft Edge. But that's the only change. So I didn't want to do a whole full hands-on video, I just wanted to update you on what's happening in 20H2. Microsoft are working on it, and who knows what features could come, because they can kind of switch on and off new features. We could get a new style start menu like we have in the Fast Ring or the Dev channel. We'll have to see. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. More on thedishlifestyle.com.